Are you ready to streamline your WordPress site and ditch the extra code clutter of Google Tag Manager? First, log into your WordPress dashboard and head to Appearance, then to Theme File Editor. Be cautious, as incorrect edits here can break your site. On the right-hand side, select the theme's header file, usually named header. Now, you'll need to find the Google Tag Manager code snippet within your header file. This looks like a block of code that includes the word Google Tag Manager. Carefully delete both the opening and closing Google Tag Manager script tags and associated code. Make absolutely sure you have only deleted the Google Tag Manager code and nothing else. Next step is optional if Google Tag Manager was added using a plugin or in the theme's functions file. Similarly, locate and delete that associated code. Once you've removed all traces of the code, click the Update File button at the bottom of the page. And there you have it. Google Tag Manager removed. Remember to clear your website's cache and confirm the changes by checking your website's source code to ensure the GTM code is gone. If you change your mind, just add the code back in, and remember, it is up to you if you want to go back to using Google Tag Manager.